Hi, welcome back to Mr. Gamer Kannada. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Gamepad Pro. You can use by keyboard and mouse like this. You can play. See, you can use mouse, you can use keyboard, and just this is completely free of cost. But you have to pay only for this and mouse and keyboard, and just this is I'm going to play in tab, but you can play in mobile also, where whichever is comfortable with you, you can play. Just follow my instructions. First connect to your PC, then go to the mousepad pro. I have already installed mouse pro activation tool. Then turn on your USB debugging. Once you turn on the USB debugging, then click on activate. Okay, it will run. Now demon is starting. Once it's complete, active. See, it's activated. Then click here. See, here it's showing activation. Please, it's activated now. Right. Can you see? I have connected the mouse, keyboard, and this connector. See, it's working. Mouse, keyboard also is working. Let me show you. See, when I put right click, it's gone. See, mouse is also working. Can you see? It's working. When I click right click, mouse cursor is off. See, right click. It's working. Go to the settings, and there is a plus tab. You can add it. I have added the compass, and this one is, if you want to add new keys, just click, it will come here, and you can type space. I have put it space, then exit. There is a jump. Okay, here I put jump, then click on OK. See, jump is working. I have already seen it's completely working. And here mouse cursor is like this. There is a disadvantage here, like this one is not working. Right click, if you want to zoom in, I have just added E here, just for like whenever I put click left click, mouse cursor will come. So that's why I put it like E. See, E. If you want to fire, it will work. See, fire, it's working. I found one drawback. Whenever you close the application, no, the application will not work. See, whenever you close the application, it will keep on stopping. But no need to worry about this. You can just open your games and it will automatically redirect. This will not affect you. You can play. Don't worry about this. It will keep on stopping. Okay, thank you.